Because some people, back in the day, people used to say hair transplants are permanent forever. It's never going to
No,
thin.
it's not permanent forever. That there is nothing that is permanent forever. I always tell patients, even our life is not permanent. So hair, unfortunately, as everything else, will age as well. So if you can keep your hair transplant good for 10, 15 years, then you should be happy. I think the evolution of hair loss is unpredictable, and I've seen some of the result of, being in the field for the past 20 years. It make you really appreciate and seeing patients that you did in 2002, 2003, where they used to have a wow result back then, but when you see them today, is not as wow as it used to be, because so yes, the hair thin over time, and people should be aware of that.
I think the first line of defense should always be medication, treatment, right?
Exactly.
Because hair transplants do not stop hair loss. That's what people don't, a lot of people
don't understand. Yeah, unfortunately, I have patients saying, "Oh, I'm past 25. Hair loss is supposed to finish." I say, "No, you lose hair until you die."
Yeah.
So you really have to consider medication, because some of the patients sometimes we struggle with is those young patients who have, "I don't want any chemical in my body." Then I say, then don't do a hair transplant. Go get a wig. You'll be happy with a wig. Hair transplant, people should understand, when I see patients that I did transplant 10, 15 years ago, you can see that the overall volume has shrunk. So there's a possibility that with aging, that the quality of your hair is going to decrease. So not taking into account medication to try to make it last, it's a mistake. I know some doctors do not recommend medication, but you really have to look into medication.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and for more great content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also go to www.bhrclinic.com and start your journey for a free assessment with Dr. Bisanga. Thanks ever so much. Let's get started together, and look forward to seeing you soon.